Alright, today we're going to be talking about electronics. You'll be learning about it. So here's what we're going to be learning about electronics. First, the sources of electricity, parts of a circuit, how to create a circuit, as well as open and closed circuits. Now first, I want you to discuss why it is important to learn about electronics. Use the picture of a washing machine as well as the picture of people washing their clothes manually over here as a reference. Okay, discuss about why is it important for people to learn about electronics and why electronics is important in our lives. Alright, now that you are done with your discussion, I want you to identify the different electronics around you and think about how are they similar. Do you notice that they're all being powered by electricity? Now I want you to try and identify the different sources of electricity. They get the electricity from, first, power stations and the electrical outlets. And what do I mean by that? Well, here's the picture of a power station. It is a place that generates electricity, and they deliver, for some reason, they're able to deliver the electricity from the power station to the electrical outlets that you can find in your homes and in schools, as well as all sorts of buildings. And maybe you want to think about how are they able to deliver electricity from the power station all the way to electrical outlets. Next, we also get electricity from batteries. Now batteries look like this. What do you notice about these batteries? Discuss with your friend. Now, do you notice that they are of different sizes? Another thing that you have to take note about batteries is that there are chemicals inside these batteries, and they create electricity through a chemical reaction. They also have these things called positive terminals and negative terminals. Are you able to identify which are the positive and negative terminals? This is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal. Can you observe some differences between the positive and negative terminals? Well, if you noticed, the positive terminal have this thing jutting out, and the negative terminal is very flat. Alright, so this is the difference between the positive and negative terminals. Next thing I want to ask you is, when would you use electricity from batteries and when would you use electricity from the power station? Think about it. Now, you would use electricity from power stations when the electricity from the batteries is not enough to power or to power up the electronic. So many electronics need more electricity than batteries can supply. Think about your fridge, your television, your television, your fridge, your washing machine. Things like these, they cannot operate solely on batteries. They need to get their power from the electrical outlet, directly from the power station. Okay, I want you to watch the next video to learn about circuits.